Sa
namang,
picture.
yeah,
Aso
masyadong
niya yun,
attached
di
dun
ba?
sa
Aso niya yun,
kanyang aso.
right? That's nice.
Actually, makwento ko sa'yo.
Oo.
Actually, that's another way why Chandler, yung bunso kong anak, nakakope ng malayo siya sa amin. Kasi meron siyang, parang yun ang naging family niya.
Oo.
Kasi malayo, imagine 7 hours ang drive.
Oo. Nasa dorm ba siya o nagsa-apartment ba siya?
No, so first year online, second year nag-dorm, okay, which is he had a lot of fun, but it's so expensive.
Yeah, so
Alam mo kung magkano? 2,200 a month.
Ay, nako.
Ang liit-liit ng kwarto, tapos yung bed nila head to head, yung
literally
bed to bed
talagang ano lang, space lang talaga. Parang ganun.
Tapos you share bathroom.
Oo.
It was like, why would I pay 2,200 for this?
Yeah.
And college is
Sobrang
so freaking
mahal na.
expensive.
Sobrang mahal na. Trust me. That's why I'm so happy. By the way, Marvin and Arvin, thank you for agreeing with us that you're going to be taking your nursing in the Philippines.
Oo nga. Di
tuwang-tuwa
hamak
ako.
na mas mura.
Sobrang mura.
Magkano?